Here is Daisy and Katie. Hi! Come on, guys! They're not too interested in playing today. They just kind of want to smell around. Huh? Come on! Come on! Oh, come tell Mama hello! They be doing good. Come see Katie. Come on, Katie, Daisy. Come on, y'all want to play? Get the toy. Get the toy. Oh, get it. No, they don't want to play. They were just smelling, huh? Such the good girls. Yes. Tell Mama hello. Hey, Mama. Katie.
This is Daisy and Katie.